क्या आपको इंग्लिश बोलने से डर लगता है? अगर यस, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. Once upon a time, I also used to get fear when I had to speak English language. But now I can speak English language. How did I do it? How did I learn English language? Because I was also like you. You are not able to speak in front of someone. You are getting so much fear, doubt. So I had the same situation as a beginner. I had doubt in my mind. I thought that I would never be able to speak English language, but now I'm speaking, right? So the thing is that when we try to do something new in our life, it is always full of fear. No matter that thing is small, no matter that thing is easy or what. But what matters, that thing would be new. And that is why we get fear. Right? So when I started learning English language, it was completely new for me, and that's why I used to get a lot of fear. To be honest, I didn't have idea that one day I would be speaking English language. But now I can speak with anyone. Now I record my video, and you won't believe, nowadays I speak English language a lot with people. So in your case also, today you are getting fear. It's not because you are not talented or you have less vocabulary or you will be not able to speak English language. No, it's because you have doubt. It's because you have fear, and you have to break free from your fear. You have to uproot this thing. Otherwise, it will overpower you. It will not let you go ahead. So, whenever we try to do something new, this is our mind tendency that it says that you can't do. We get so much fear, doubt. So, same thing is happening with English learners also. I mean, they have vocabulary, they can start speaking English language, but they are not able to start because they have doubt, they have fear. Let me tell you, my friend, why children they learn things quickly. Because they don't have that much fear, they don't have that much doubt. Do they care about society? Do they care about their friends a lot? No. So if we want to learn any new things, we have to consider ourselves as a child. We should allow ourselves to make mistakes and all. And if you do this thing for few days, you will see that you will have confidence and your fear will start going from your life. Okay? So as long as something is new, you are going to get fear, and if you don't try to do that thing will remain new for you, right? So at least try. If you try one day, you will be called as a one day practitioner. I mean, you have practiced one day, right? Think like that. So if you practice 5 days, if you practice 1 week, if you practice 1 month, then you will see that you will have less fear. But if you don't try, then that fear will be in your mind, plus you will have to start from the zero. So don't think so much. Just start your journey. Start speaking. Okay? We wait. Okay? One day I will not have fear. I will be speaking on the stage, or I will start speaking with anyone. No. You are not going to do it overnight. You have to do every single day. I mean, you have to take action. You have to practice every single day, then one day you will do it. I know, I believe that you can do it. पता है फ्रेंड्स, जब तक चीज़ें न्यू होती हैं तब तक हमें बहुत डर लगता है। ऐसा लगता है कि हम उस चीज़ को कभी कर ही नहीं पाएंगे, हम उस चीज़ के लिए बने नहीं हैं। बट अगर हम उस चीज़ को करना स्टार्ट कर दें, बिलीव मी, यू विल गेट कॉन्फिडेंस, यू विल गेट मोटिवेशन। आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आप कर लेंगे। बट अगर आप स्टार्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं तो आपको डाउट होगा, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे, आप निगेटिव सोचोगे, ठीक है। तो अगर आप एक इंग्लिश लर्नर हैं तो आपको बोलना शुरू करना चाहिए, जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी। अगर आप लेट कर रहे हैं तो फिर आपके अंदर और ज़्यादा फियर होगा, और आप लेट कर रहे हैं तो पता ही है, राइट, आपके फ्रेंड्स लोग इंग्लिश बोलेंगे और कुछ भी। आई मीन, आई एम नॉट जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। अगर आप कुछ भी करना चाहते हैं, अगर आपको डर लगता है तो आप उस चीज़ को करिए। बट मैं ऐसी चीज़ों को नहीं कह रही हूँ कि अगर आपके सामने सांप है, उसको पकड़ने में डर लगता है तो आप जाइए उसको करिए, नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं। आप इस चीज़ को, इस प्रिंसिपल को आप कहाँ अप्लाई कर सकते हो, जैसे कि कोई न्यू जॉब हो गया, उसके लिए ट्राई करना, किसी न्यू लैंग्वेज को लर्न करना, किसी न्यू जगह को विज़िट करना, न्यू लोगों से बात करना। ऐसा लगता है कि हम कर ही नहीं पाएंगे, हम इसी वजह से हम बहुत सारे चांस को मिस करते हैं, राइट। इन आवर लाइफ इट हैपन्स दैट वी मिस मेनी चांसेस। सो जस्ट ट्राई इट, डोंट गेट so much fear, doubt. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.